Gold Coast, Australia. Look at the beautiful views. Wow. Look at the crystal clear blue waters and look at over there the surfers paradise. I'm coming here to try my luck today and see if I can catch any fish for my dinner tonight. Hi, I'm Emily. Why I didn't catch any fish today? Today I'm going to share with you Chinese style ginger and shallot steamed fish. It's so quick, simple and super delicious. Let's check it out.
First, season the fish evenly with salt. Remember to do it both sides. By using your finger running across the fish skin, you will be able to check if all the scales has been removed completely. Do the same for the cooking wine as well. Now, cut the spring onion into 5 cm long each and place under the fish before we steam. The purpose of doing this is to steam the fish evenly. Next, add the fish soy sauce and place some ginger slices onto the fish.
Today I'm going to use my turbo mix to steam our fish. Of course, you can use a wok, you can use a steamer, whichever suits you. I'm going to boil the water first. Our water is now boiling. The fish that I'm using today is about 600 grams, so I'm going to steam for 15 minutes. If you are using about 1 kilogram of fish, it will take about approximately 20 minutes.
When the fish is being steamed, let's do something important. Cut the long green parts into equal size. Holding the knife parallel to the length of the green stalk, slice into thin slivers. Cut all pieces in a similar fashion. Place in a bowl of water for 5 minutes and the slivers will curl out automatically. After 15 minutes, remove the fish from the steamer. Remove the shallot stalks and also the ginger slices. Using a chopstick to pop through the fish to see if it is cooked. Last but not least, place the curled spring onions and julienne gingers onto the fish. Heat 5 tablespoons of oil until it is really hot.
Now we come to the final step. I love doing this. It's a fun and very important step. We are going to pour over the hot oil onto the fish. The hot oil that we pour over onto the fish just now is to give the fragrance of the shallots and the ginger. Smells so nice. I'm going to taste it. That's it for our steamed fish today. Quick, simple and delicious. I'll see you next time. Bye!